What's going on, everyone? What can we talk about today? There we go. We're going to talk about this today, family. AVAX, Avalanche, and GALA prices surge as crypto gaming tokens turn, you guessed it, bullish. Now, why am I creating this type of content now? Like every article that we grab from today is in line with the market being bullish. Is everything shooting up in price? Currently seems like it. If crypto gaming tokens are going to turn bullish, then the platforms or the blockchains that they're built off of should also increase in value. That's why they're trying to tell us that Avalanche and Gala are surging. Let's go through this article, and then we'll talk about the price action in Avalanche. A liquidity rotation in crypto gaming has begun, with Avalanche and Gala surging. This week, Avalanche is up 11.02%, while Gala is up 52.35%. Meanwhile, the eco-friendly gaming presale eTuk is also pumping, swiftly approaching the $2 million total raise mark. Following a monumental boom in AI and meme coin sectors, it seems that gaming tokens will run next as they start outpacing the market. This is all according to the individual who wrote this article. Then they use a tweet to certify or justify the reason why gaming tokens should be up next. They have an individual by the name Alice Becker. He tweeted out that Bitcoin is at $69,000. Since then, it has made another all-time high in a bull. Rotation into AI game coins appears clear. That's what he wrote. Here it is. That's the tweet right there that he used. So they want to pull that out from Twitter, place it on this article as a justification as to why gaming tokens should be the next run of the mill to see the market go crazy. Layer 1 blockchain Avalanche is renowned. They're known for its gaming adoption, with several tier 1 gaming studios like Blitz, Off the Grid, and Shrapnel all building on the network. And then on Tuesday, Avalanche announced a prominent blockchain game, Maple Story Universe, is launching on an Avalanche subnet. And here's the tweet there. So I think you guys can see the interest that is coming to Avalanche and gaming companies, entities wanting to build on their blockchain. That foments and cements the legitimacy of Avalanche. Is that the reason why price in Avalanche is going up though? Like, take a look at this price action in Avalanche. Let me zoom out this chart. The market has finally broken out of this consolidational range in Avalanche. Look at this. It has broken away from that $50 price target that was acting as resistance. It is now clear selling. Now, as you can see from my price prediction, which is still here on my chart, I was looking for Avalanche to go to the downside, to go lower, right? And then we identify these buy zones right here, these three. Now, I told you that we can see the market in Avalanche bounce off of this first buy zone. And that is exactly what it did prior to the market breaking out to the upside. It happened right there on March the 5th, 2024. That was the clue that Avalanche was going to break out. Look at how wide the spread was. Look at the volume that came in on that day. Look at where the price closed on that day after it came and bounced off of this buy zone. So the market bought once price in Avalanche came and touched around $35. They bought. They opened up the wallets and just threw cash at Avalanche. And now they're sitting up. Now they're profiting from that recent investment that they did here on March the 5th. Now they're up. So let's say if you'd have bought at the low on March the 5th, let's say you did that. That investment now in just a couple of days is already up 54%. Already in a couple of days. That's how strong the market currently is right now in cryptocurrencies. Real quick. Real bullish. So if you didn't see this, then yeah, you will be sitting on the opposite side of the market right now. let's get rid of this price prediction. Let's get rid of this sell zone. Let's get rid of this sell zone. And now let's get rid of this sell zone. So it looks like the newest sell zone in the market in Avalanche is right here. Okay, so this is the current top of this most recent bull run that is occurring right now in Avalanche. Let's zoom out the chart though. This may be the top into the market in Avalanche right here. Okay, I'm just going to put that there just for reference as a sell zone. Because currently, yes, Avalanche is massively bullish still. Let's go ahead and get rid of these buy zones here. Let's get rid of this one. And we're going to add to the buy zones. The closer that we move higher, we'll place these buy zones close to where the price action is. Okay. And then there may be one around like 48. Let's try to take a look. Yeah, there is one right there around 48. So we'll create another one. So now, yes, people always come through, try to take some profit off the table once price breaks out. I mean, over the last 2 days, the market in Avalanche is already up 32%. So at least in the initial stage, I'm looking for the market to take a reprieve, begin to come down somewhat, but longer term, these longer term charts are definitely still bullish in Avalanche. So we definitely are looking more towards, from that purview, the price action in Avalanche going up. We are. But maybe we might want to wait to allow this market to come down, maybe to test these buy zones, and then we could jump on board and then ride the market to higher prices. What do you guys think? Because even here on the 45-minute chart, this is a buy zone, and then here's another, this is a bigger buy zone. That's why the market currently is bouncing off of it now. It's because this is where the buyers are trying to hold price from falling. So far they're doing pretty good, but there's still some selling going on into the market in Avalanche. Okay, so overall, I'm looking for the price to go higher, but given that we are still up here around this sell zone, I want to let the market come down slightly before I jump on board and create another price prediction. So I identified these buy zones here. Let me get rid of this one. These 3 buy zones here is where we want to see the market come and bounce. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts about this. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.